Hi there, welcome back. Well, I'm trying to get a ticket here because I'm holding my phone in my hand because I didn't have any time to make a proper intro. Yes. So we're gonna do it very quickly. Today is a special day. I'm gonna show you what fear is. But first, we're gonna go to the hairdresser and then I'm gonna show you what fear is. Fly away, la 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 la. Well, stage 1 complete, the hair's done, and now what we're gonna do today, we are going to fly. And that sounds like fun, and probably it is for most, but I have a problem that I'm afraid of height and afraid of flying. But I'm a man, my dad is going to take a lesson, and I'm gonna be there, stand by him, and if we die together. So today's episode is all about fear. Let's have fun. So the plan today, first I'm gonna pick up my dad and a friend of him, then we're gonna drive to Rotterdam Airport. I don't know what I'm gonna film or what it will look like, but we're gonna do that, and after that we're gonna fly over our house, I think, probably, I hope. And then we'll go back and hopefully we'll survive this day, and next week we're gonna have a story about 308 because I am going to visit the car finally, and hopefully then I can show you again how the progress is going, etc, etc, etc. But for now, let's get fly away. Oh no, let's get fly away. No, let's fly away. No, who cares? Let's have fun. Or not. Well, we are at the Wings Hotel and I'm very nervous, but we're in the parking garage and we're gonna have a look at what's here, and have a look at nice. Yeah, gonna fly, I guess. Well, we had to walk for a little while. We had to go to gate 19. I was getting nervous at that point, so I could barely speak. You could see the plane standing there. After a check-in at the gates, we were escorted by a golf cart to the plane, and this is the plane that we are flying, a Cessna 172.
Schuif ik hem even naar achter, de stoel. Dan kan Nico instappen en als hij zit, gaat hij weer helemaal naar voren. Maar je zit heel eventjes heel goed.
Oh, oké. Oh, ik dacht dat het... ik ging er al een beetje vanuit dat we sowieso...
Jullie krijgen business class hoor.
Business class. We have business class.
Of economy plus.
Oh.
Ja. En dan heb je tussen je benen een hendel. Ja, dat is prima.
Loud en clear.
Clear? Ja.
Ja, luid en duidelijk. Zo. Ik hoor je goed. Ik hoor je ook duidelijk.
Cold startup. So what you just heard was the checkup and making sure that everyone is in a good position, all the microphones are working, and now we are off to the runway. And this is it, the moment of truth. And this is it. We were airborne. Yeah. I was nervous but not scared. The pilot kept telling us what she did, and that gave a real feeling of comfort. So do like I did. Enjoy the flight. I'm alive.
And alive.
Well, this is it. We're still alive. Yay! If you are afraid of flying, I think this is a good solution. I felt pretty comfortable.
He's right, he's right. Everyone is welcome.
So I will leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, spread the word, do whatever you want, and enjoy life. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye.